Present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense in affirmative statement when we talk about something which is happening at the time of speaking. Just follow the pattern to form an affirmative statement. For examples, they are working right now. We are studying English now. I am studying English now. You are studying English now. She is eating breakfast now. He is watching television now. To form a negative statement, the word not is added after the auxiliary be. Examples: they are not working at the moment. We are not working at the moment. I am not sleeping right now. You are not sleeping right now. She is not walking around now. He is not walking around now. To form a question in the present continuous tense, the auxiliary is placed before the subject. Examples: are they working at the moment? Are we working at the moment? Am I working at the moment? Are you working at the moment? Is she sleeping right now? Is he walking around now? Is it sleeping right now?